This video tutorial I will explain email basics and how to send and receive emails. What is email? Email is the way to send messages using internet. You can use email to send text, files and even photos to other people around the world. Email is short for electronic mail. You can choose one of the email service like Gmail by Google, Yahoo Mail by Yahoo, Outlook by Microsoft. And in this email service, you have to create account by clicking sign up or create account and follow the steps. The steps is like fill in your name, birth date and username and choose a strong password and follow the steps to verify your account, usually via phone number. And your email address is like your digital mailing address. Share it only with the trusted people. Here I have opened Gmail and here you can see create account option. Click on this and for my personal use, here you have to provide the name, then date of birth, you can choose your Gmail address or you can create your own Gmail address and you have to create the strong password. So like that, follow the steps to create a Gmail account. Now we will see how to logging in. Go to your email website, enter your credentials like your email address and password and access your account by click on sign in or login. Search for Gmail, click on sign in. Here you have to provide your email ID. Enter your password and here you can see the Gmail is opened. Understanding the inbox. After logging in, you will see your inbox. This is where you receive emails. Inbox shows new emails and old emails you received. Send shows email you have sent. Draft shows emails you started writing but did not send. Trash or deleted or bin shows emails you deleted. Spam shows junk or unwanted emails. Here you can see the inbox and here you can see the new emails and old emails. Here you can see the sent. Here you can see the drafts. Here you can see the bin. And here you can see the spam. How to read an email. Click on the email subject line. Select the email you want to read from your inbox. View the full message. Check the details. You can see who sent it, when and what they said. Access attachments. If there is a file attached, click download or view. Click on inbox and select the email you want to read. How to send an email. First, start the new email by clicking compose or new mail. Next, add recipient. In the to field, type the email address of the person you want to send to. Next, create a subject. In the subject line, type a short title for your email. Next, write your message. Write your message in the big blank space below. Next, add attachments. This is optional. To attach a file like a photo, click on a paper click icon and select your file. Next, send your email by clicking send button. Replying to an email. Select the message you want to respond to, find and click the reply button, write your response in the message field, then send your reply to the original sender by clicking on send button. Use reply all only when you want to respond to everyone included in the email. How to forward an email. Select the message you want to forward, find and select a forward option, enter the new person's email address, then send the forwarded message by click on send button. What are the email etiquette? First one is clear subject line. Use a descriptive title that summarizes your message. Next one is polite greeting. Start with hello or dear sir or dear madam. Next one is concise message. Be short and clear in your message. Next one is professional closing. End with thanks, best regards, or sincerely. Next one is proofread. Always review before clicking on send button. How to stay safe with emails. Create complex passwords and change the password regularly. Do not open emails from people you don't know. Don't click on suspicious links in emails. Avoid downloading strange attachments. Deleting or archiving emails. First, we will see deleting emails. To delete an email, click on a trash icon or delete. This removes email from your inbox and move the email to the trash or bin folder, where it will eventually be permanently deleted. Next, we will see archiving emails. To save it but remove it from inbox, click on archive. Archiving keep your email in your account but moves the email out of your inbox to reduce clutter. You can still search for and find archived emails later. Logging out. Click on profile or account icon. Select log out or sign out. This keeps your account safe and private. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.